Y'all, today is June 18th, 2025. Today, I finished my first year of dental school, known as the D1 year. It was exhausting, fulfilling, challenging, rewarding, and fun all at the same time. This journey literally started in February of 1994, and it's taken 30 years to get here, but it has been worth it. One of the big questions I had personally before I started dental school was just how much work it would be. People said it was demanding, so in order to quantify just how demanding it really was, I ran some numbers because I'm a numbers guy. These are from the classes that we took here at the University of Iowa College of Dentistry, and so some schools, the numbers may be a little bit different. How demanding is the first year of dental school? Well, join me as I play a little game called D1 by the numbers on this episode of Dr. Dad the Dentist. Welcome to this episode of Dr. Dad the Dentist. Today, we are going to play a game where I will ask you about certain parts of the first year of dental school. Pre-dental students, you will want to pay close attention as I tell you what you can expect. If you're a non-traditional student thinking about going back and attending dental school, this will help you kind of level set as to what you can expect to look forward to. Let's go ahead and get started. Make sure to stick around until the end. The last question will absolutely blow your mind. Question 1. How many different classes did we take in dental school this year? Was it 12, 20, 26, or 36? The correct answer is 26. We had 12 classes in the fall and 14 classes in the spring. Question 2. How many semester credit hours did we take? Was it 22, 27, 32, or 47? The correct answer is 47. We took 20 in the fall and 27 in the spring. If you're wondering how that compares with like normal undergrad, 15 semester credit hours is considered a full-time load. So even in our fall, when we didn't take as many classes, we took 20 hours, which is 5 hours more than a full load. Spring semester, 27 hours, that's almost a double load. Question 3, how many tests did we take? Was it 41, 51, 61, or 81? The correct answer is 51. We took 24 in the fall and 27 tests in the spring. Question 4, how many quizzes did we take? Was it 53, 73, 93, or 103? The correct answer is 103. We took 32 in the fall and 71 in the spring. Most of those were in our gross anatomy and histology class, which we refer to as Christo. It is a monster, literally. Question 5, how many practicals did we take? For those of you who may not know, a practical is an examination where you demonstrate a skill. So for example, it could be doing a cavity preparation in operative dentistry, or maybe waxing a tooth in dental anatomy, or even identifying structures in the cadaver lab in gross anatomy. So did we take 24, 34, 44, or 54? The correct answer is 24. Actually, only 3 practicals were in the fall. Those were all in dental anatomy. 21 were in the spring semester, with 9 of those being in operative dentistry class. Question 6. How many hours were we assigned in the simulation clinic? Simulation clinic is where we learn how to do waxing and where we learn how to do cavity preps and learn to do fillings and things like that. How many hours were we assigned in the sim clinic? Was it 250, 297, 350, or 397? The correct answer is 297. We had 120 hours in sim in the fall, 177 in the spring, but those were just the assigned hours. I can tell you, I was there at least a minimum of 3 to 4 hours in addition to that every single week. So tack all of that on, and we're way above that 297 hours spent in sim clinic. Question 7. How many hours were we assigned in the preventative clinic? Was it 45, 55, 65, or 75? The correct answer is 45. All of that was in the spring semester, and all of that we were working on an actual human. Okay, question 8. How many patients did we see as D1s? Was it 0, 3, 6, or 9? The correct answer is 3. We saw one peer patient who was a fellow student and 2 community non-peer patients in the spring. That's very unique for Iowa. Not many dental schools actually allow D1s to see patients. Go Iowa. And finally, question 9. Okay, this is the big one. Get ready to have your mind blown. How many PowerPoint slides were presented in our classes this year? Now, to be fair, we didn't have required textbooks except in dental anatomy class. So most of our material was presented in the slides. Remember, this is for 26 classes, 47 semester credit hours. Think real hard. Was it 3,450, 6,524, 9,212, or 20,119? The correct answer is 20,119. Yes, you heard that correctly. 20,119 PowerPoint slides, pretty evenly divided over the 2 semesters. Which classes had the most? Well, human physiology in the fall had almost 2,000 slides, just under that. Second place was second semester operative dentistry with almost 1,700 slides. The longest PowerPoint we had was Dr. Baker's presentation on toothpaste in first semester preventative dentistry. It was 292 slides. So there you have it. A look at the first year of dental school in terms of just how much material we actually covered and what we did. I'm not gonna lie, it was exhausting. And the thing that was the biggest shock and challenge for me overall personally was the sheer amount of material that we covered. It was overwhelming, I'm not gonna lie. But you adapt and you learn and you figure out how to do it. It's challenging, but when you get to treat your first patient, it's all worth it. I'm looking forward to my D2 year, but right now I am really, really looking forward to a break. So thanks for joining me on this episode of Dr. Dad the Dentist. Follow your dreams, it is not too late. If you would, please hit the subscribe button below, it really helps. If you like this video, hit the like button, and please leave a comment below telling me about what things are like at your dental school. You can also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. It's all at Dr. Dad the Dentist. See you next time. Hey!